Miniforge is installed and UV is installed. Now let's combine them. In this guide, you'll build a complete data science environment the way the ecosystem recommends in 2026. Conda and Mamba for system libraries and UV for Python packages. The payoff?
One environment, both tools and installs that finish in under a second. Let's get started.
Why both? UV is up to 100 times faster than pip and it handles everything Python. But UV cannot install system libraries like CUDA, GDAL, or HDF5. Conda solves that. The 2026 rule is simple. Conda for binaries, UV for Python.
Same environment, two tools, best of both.
Here's what you need. Miniforge A from episode 25 gives you Conda and Mamba. OV from episode 23 is your lightning-fast Python installer. And a terminal, the Miniforge prompt on Windows or terminal on a Mac. For GPU acceleration, an NVIDIA GPU or an Apple Silicon Mac.
Everything else is included.
Open the Miniforge prompt or terminal on a Mac. Type mamba create -n ds python 3.13 -c conda-forge. The name ds stands for data science. Mamba shows you the transaction, the prefix, the package table, and the summary.
Type UE to proceed, and Mamba installs Python into your brand new environment.
Now activate it. Type mamba activate ds. Watch the prompt. It changes from base to ds. That means you're inside the environment. Check with Python, --, version, and which Python. On Windows, where Python. Your environment is alive and ready for packages.
Now the fun part. With the environment active, UV automatically targets it through the conda prefix variable. Type UV pip install pandas, numpy, matplotlib, JupyterLab, ipykernel. Watch how fast this is. UV resolves the packages in milliseconds and installs them in a flash. The same command with pip would take many times longer.
Time for PyTorch. On Windows with an NVIDIA GPU, install the CUDA build from the PyTorch index. UV pip install torch. Torch audio -- index URL. Download.pytorch.org/WHL/CU126. On an Apple Silicon Mac, the standard wheel has MPS built in. Just run UV pip install torch, Torchomsia, torch audio. Did it work? Run this one line, Python -c, import torch, print the version, print CUDA available, print MPS available. On an NVIDIA PC, you want CUDA available true. On Apple Silicon, MPS available true. On CPU only, both false, and that's fine. Everything still runs.
Let's see it in action. Type JupyterLab. Your browser opens JupyterLab, a complete data science workspace. Click the Python 3 notebook card. Because ipykernel is installed in your environment, this notebook runs your environment's Python. Import pandas, numpy, and torch, and print their versions. Your hybrid environment is working.
Sharing is easy. Type conda env-export -- from history greater than environment.yml. This writes a clean cross-platform file with just what you asked for. The name, the conda-forge channel, and Python.
Pipe installed packages aren't included, so add them under a pipe section or keep a requirements file with UV pip freeze. Recreate the environment anywhere with mamba mvig create -f.
Real workflows, real errors. 1. UV is not recognized. Reopen the terminal so the path refreshes. 2. Packages landed in base instead of your environment. Activate the environment first and check CUDA prefix. 3. CUDA available is false on Windows. Install the CUDA wheel with the index URL.
4. MPS available is false on a Mac. On Intel, that's expected. On Apple Silicon, update Mac OS. 5. Your environment kernel is missing. Register it with ipykernel install. 6. Package not found. Add the conda-forge channel or install it with UV.
Here's a recap. 1. Create the environment with Mamba. 2. Activate it. 3. Install Python packages with UV. 4. Verify the GPU. And share with environment.yml. Conda for binaries, UV for Python. You did it, and your data science setup is ready for anything. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.